Shiva, Shiva, Shiva.
Hey guys, this is NJ. Today we'll talk about the tips of the finger. Like the way I've been talking about chirognomy in all my videos, that chirognomy is the study of the structure of the hand, which tells about the innate nature of an individual. And as our hand is constitutes of finger, these mounts and the palm, and finger plays a very vital role in deciding the nature of an individual, his particular personality traits. So I would give a quick recap to the traits associated with each and every finger. So this is our index finger, which is associated with planet Jupiter, and it governs all your ego related issues, ego related traits, your leadership qualities, your potential to reach the leadership roles, or how ambitious you are in your life, and your virtues, your morals. Then comes your middle finger, which is associated with planet Saturn. This finger tells about your wisdom, your analytical knowledge, your responsibility, your maturity in this life. And then comes our ring finger, finger of Apollo. This finger is associated with planet Sun. This finger is the finger of art and creativity. This tells about an individual's potential to attain fame and recognition in this life. Then comes our little finger. This finger is associated with planet Mercury, and this finger is chiefly associated with your communication and your business acumen which you possess in this life. Okay, so now you know what is important to know is that these finger represents all the traits which I have already shared, but how these traits will being expressed in this life, that is being governed by the tip of the finger. So like the way we know, this is the finger of your ego, this is the finger of your ambition, this is the finger of art and creativity, but how this will get expressed in this outer world, whether you would remain very rigid with your ambition, whether you would become very artistic with your art and creativity, or you would remain very emotional with your designs and the work which you will produce, that all will get decided by the fingertips. So there are like 4 fingertips majorly which you need to know. First being the fingertip. So this is the square fingertip formation. So people with this square fingertip remains to be little bit very practical, very regular, very orderly and very systematic with their approach. So whenever you will see square fingertip, then you can easily associate the traits of the finger with regularity, practicality, order and organized way of behavior in the life. Then comes the second fingertip, which is very commonly found, which is spatulate. This fingertip can be easily determined because, as you know, the utensil, the spatula which we use in kitchen, which remains very broad from the start and become little bit tapered from the bottom. So this is the kind of structure which you will find of the finger. So this fingertip tells about spatulate shape, tells about someone who is very original with his thought process or with his approach towards life. All the inventors, all the explorers and all the pioneers have got these spatulate fingertips. Along with that, this is a sign of action oriented individual. So spatulate means action, spatulate means originality. So the moment you will see spatulate fingertip, let's say in someone's Apollo finger, then you can easily determine that this person has the potential to produce some good work in the field of art and creativity. Then comes the third shape, which is of conic. This is our conic finger tip. So conic fingertip has the traits that these people remains to be very emotional, very artistic, though these people remain very impressionable as well, but this is a sure sign of very intuitiveness, impressionability, emotional. These people would like to have peace of mind in their life, and in all their relationship they would remain to be very emotionally governed with them rather than be very material or very rational, like the way the square people would remain to be in their life. Their approach towards life would remain to be very logic driven and very rational, but with the conic fingertip, these people would remain to be very emotional with their approach and with their dealing towards every single aspect of the life. Then comes the last type of fingertip, which is our pointed finger tip. So you will find it like this. So these fingertips would tells about the traits. See, this is the exaggerated version of conic fingertip. These people remain to be highly inspirational, highly idealistic in life, but the only problem is that these people sometimes remains to be very daydreamers and remain in a flight of fantasy rather than remaining realistic in their life. So I would again give a quick recap of all the fingertips. First, square fingertip would remains to be very practical, very very practical and very orderly and very regular with their approach and with their day-to-day dealings in life. Spatulate fingertips, people would remain to be very action oriented along with very original with their thought process and with their behavior in the life. Conic fingertip is the sure sign of artisticness and intuitiveness, and pointed fingertip is the exaggerated version of conic fingertips. These people would remain to be very little bit of daydreamers, remaining in a flight of fantasy, along with highly sensitive. So I hope you guys found this video informational. So on further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.